So I want to do a very quick talk today. So just to speed through the beginning process of my live stream, I want to say that, I'm meteorologist Randy. Tropical weather.cod.edu and Tropical Tidbits are the two websites that I'm going to use for a quick forecast today. Because dinner time is like very soon, and after that is my shower time and then relaxing time, so I don't really have much time. I have a slight allergy headache right now, so I want to try to do it. So, first thing I want to talk about is what? Yes, I want to talk about this first. Hold on. Okay. Now my chat is up and running here. I won't be too long today due to the fact that I have to, eat dinner soon. So you got this big, huge high pressure system, not high pressure, but a huge low in the Midwest, as you can see right there, creating blizzard conditions, winter storm warnings, tornado warnings on the warm side. As you can see, this low pressure system will be our next chance of precipitation falling on Wednesday, Thursday, and possibly Friday in New England and Northeast, as a stall frontal boundary will be sliding a low pressure system along it. So I would say rain chances Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. By the time we get to Saturday, the end of the week, it's going to be clearing, becoming breezier and sunnier for the weekend. Also, I can add Sunday into the picture here. So so let's pan out what this low pressure system is going to do for us by using the Tropical Tidbits right here, which is a very great site. Let's look at the Euro, which is a very reliable weather model. We have tornadoes and severe weather down here in the south due to this low pressure system. This high is bringing in southeast winds, and then there's a big, huge frontal system here, so you're going to have severe weather down there, but you already have storm chasers on the ground. The snow continues in the Minnesota, as you can see here. Plenty of cold air looping around that low right there. But what I want to focus on is it looks like it stays dry on Tuesday in New England, but I wouldn't rule out maybe like a stray shower, mist and drizzle along the coastline. As you can see, the precipitation right here is hitting the coastline. As you can see, these two air masses are going to collide here, so it looks like Wednesday, I would say on and off showers, not a washout. And then you got this banding of rain along this frontal system here. That's going to give us maybe a few showers on Thursday. As you can see, Thursday looks like the wettest day of the week in New England, as you can see right here, from what the Euro said. The cold air finally shoves this low pressure system off. So I don't think we're going to have any snow to deal with from this low. Yeah, temperatures are way too warm, as you can see right here. Temperatures never go below freezing. And then by the time we get to Friday, that low pressure system's gone. Or just lingering along the Cape and the islands, as you can see there. So that low is going to be close enough to skim us with rain Thursday into at least Friday afternoon. But the Friday afternoon is only going to be the Cape and the islands and along the coast, as you can see here. Cold and windy on the backside of the storm on Saturday, as you can see. A lot of cold air. I would think temperatures are only in 40s. Yeah, 40s to 45, maybe upper 30s in the highest elevations there. Plenty of warm air in the deep south right there, as you can see. And by the time we get to Sunday, it looks like Sunday's still going to be another cold day. High pressure is in control of the weather. Temperatures are going to be a tad bit warmer, about 45 to 50 degrees, depending on where you are in the Northeast in Massachusetts. So, yeah, that's just a quick wrap up for the whole entire week. We're going to have to make sure that the American GFS model is saying that we were supposed to get snow on the storm system here. During Friday morning, see a little bit of blue right here popping up. This GFS model is saying that the storm right here is going to be close enough to tap into some cold air on Thursday night into Friday, as you can see right here. Temperatures around 34 to 35 degrees, but the upper levels are cold enough to produce snow. So if you have heavy precipitation, I wouldn't be surprised to see a surprise snowstorm here. Now the chances of this happening are very slim. I would say like 30% or less or something like that. I don't think the weather models are really aiming for a snowstorm. Now where was I? Right here. See some of the models saying about 2 inches in the Berkshires and northern Worcester County right there. So it was a very slim chance, maybe 20-30% chance by the end of the week that low might push itself more inland and tap into the cold air from that trough. So that's we have to iron out. But as of right now, I'm going to say it's not even possible, because all the models say the storm is too far offshore, and I don't think it's going to be close enough. But there's at least something to eye out on. And while I am looking at this, let's take a look at the GFS, why don't we? So let's see, let's go back to the Tuesday's time frame right here. So some rain and drizzle along the coastline, as you can see. I would say maybe there's a 30% chance Tuesday. As my tablet's actually lagging a little bit. Yes, it is lagging a little bit. Come on. It was just a bad page refresh, because now it's working after a reload. As you can see right here, it's not going to be a washout all week. Tuesday, Wednesday, a few showers. It looks like Thursday is going to be the worst day of the week in New England right there. As you can see, there's actual low pressure system pushing moisture along that frontal boundary. And this is what I was talking about right here, is that this storm, if it's close enough, which is I don't think it's going to happen, might produce up to 4 inches of snow on the highest elevations, but I'm gonna rule that out right now. I don't think it's gonna happen. Then by the weekend, cold, but I think sunny weekend, I would think. Yeah, for the most part, it looks like it's gonna be sunny on Saturday. A mix of sun and clouds Sunday. Temperatures both days are gonna be either side of 45. A little bit cold on Saturday, maybe 40 to 45, and 45 on average on Sunday. Both those days looks like it's pretty good. A little breezy both days, as you can see there. There's not much going on. Very breezy behind the storm, like 10 to 20 miles per hour Friday, and Saturday maybe 5 to 15 miles per hour Sunday. So it looks like it's going to be breezy and cold both Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from the back end of that low. Temperatures Friday, I don't know if I can believe that, because I don't think the storm is going to happen. So I use the euro and say more of like 45 to 50 degrees on Friday. And before I get ahead of myself a little bit, it's going to be another chilly night, maybe like 30 degrees on average for tomorrow. Tomorrow itself is going to be about 40 degrees. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of clouds around as, I think, yeah, I think there's a lot of clouds around because the easterly winds and the south winds are going to be, merging, so it's not going to be sunny on Tuesday, so it's going to be raw and 40. Definitely going to be cloudy with maybe some patchy sun in the afternoon on Wednesday. Mostly cloudy Thursday due to that rain, which I haven't showed you this. But yeah, it looks like it's going to be a rainy day on Thursday. Even the Canadian says this storm might be getting close enough to tap into cold air, so I still don't think it's going to happen. So let's go back in time now, which just did not do what I wanted to do. So a cold raw day on Tuesday, warmer with south winds on Wednesday. Looks like we're going to be about 55 on average. A rainy day on Thursday, but temperature's still going to be mild because of the south winds. I think there's south winds that day. Should be. Yeah, it's mainly south winds, as you can see right there. So it's going to be warm because of that. And by the time we get to Friday, it all depends on if that low pressure system happens or not. Friday is trending to be either 30 degrees, upper 30s, low 40s if that storm system happens. If not, use the Euro perspective. It's going to be 45 to 50 if that storm is gone and maybe more sunshine plays into the area. And both weekend days, I would think this one's actually warmer than I think it is. I would drop it down just a little bit on Saturday. Saturday and Sunday, maybe just say 45 on average, plus or minus. The warmer you are, the more east you are, the colder you are, the more west you are. So yeah, that's pretty much my forecast for the whole entire weekend to plus Sunday. So that's my quick discussion for today. That's all I really wanted to do this evening. Let's do my outro right now. My outro is that tomorrow for the Northeast, it's going to be a mostly cloudy day, and it's going to be raw easterly winds, highs only around the low 40s. I would say a 20% chance of drizzle, maybe pop-up shower Tuesday. By the time we get to Wednesday, it's going to be more southerly flow. Temperatures maybe let's say 45-ish degrees on average Wednesday. 50% chance of a shower. Then as we get into Thursday is going to be a washout. I didn't show how much precipitation there was, but I'm probably going to say at least a half an inch, I would think, out of that boundary right there. Temperatures are going to be running 45 to 50 degrees on Thursday. Friday is still out in the idea if with that low pressure system, it's going to move up the coast, give us snow in the back end. We don't know what will happen quite yet, but I think it's going to miss us and just give us a few showers on Friday morning and afternoon, pretty much more in southeast Mass area. I don't think there's going to be any snow to worry about that. Then that storm pulls the cold air down on Saturday and Sunday, producing a mostly sunny, breezy, rather cool weekend, is my summary for the whole entire rest of the week. That's 7 days because I do Tuesday through Sunday. So this is me, Aldrich Randy, signing off for this evening. And I will catch you in another live stream. Peace.